everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're planning to come to the UK in 2026 for studies, this is probably one of the biggest questions in your mind. Is studying in the UK actually worth it? Because I know, because I have been there where you are right now. I used to research every day, ask ChatGPT about which is the best country for highest paid job, which is the best country for like a permanent residency and blah blah blah, but it was so confusing, trust me. But today I'm gonna give you a very honest, realistic answers, not sugar-coated, not fake motivation, just the truth. If coming to the UK in 2026 is actually worth it or no. So first of all, it depends why you're coming. So if you think coming to the UK means automatic success, instant job, luxury life and easy money, and then honestly it is not worth it. But if you're coming with a proper plan, ready to work hard, adjust, struggle a little and use the opportunity smartly, then yes, it can be absolutely worth it. UK is not a magic country. It gives you opportunities, but of course you have to chase them. Talking about the money part, it is one of the biggest reality. Studying in the UK is expensive in 2026, and it has been expensive. Tuition fees as an international student can be around 14 to 22 pounds depending upon your university and course. The rent can be again 500 to 900 per month depending upon the cities. Like I mentioned earlier, in cities like London it can be much higher. So just make sure that you choose a university depending upon your financial status. Not just don't choose London because it is London, but just make sure that you have to live there. Will you be able to afford that? Not food, transport bills, shopping, another 200 to 400 monthly minimum. So yes, financially it is a big decision. Many students take education loans, some of them have a family support or maybe savings. That means if you come here casually without planning, pressure can hit you like very quickly. Talking about the part-time job reality, many students think they will come and easily cover all expenses with part-time job, but reality check, it is possible, but it is not guaranteed. Some students get job quickly, some struggles for a month, and then some of them do night shifts, warehouse work, restaurant jobs, cleaning, retail. Some of them also do delivery job, which is very common here. But you need patience, confidence, bang on CV, communication skills, and sometimes even luck. However, part-time income can help, but usually it won't fully cover tuition fees, if you know what I mean. Let's talk about the education quality. Is it good? Honestly, yes. UK still has strong university practical teaching methods, global recognitions and good exposure. You meet people from different countries, improve communication skills, become independent and a different version of yourself, and also you learn different life skills. But sometimes the biggest value is not only degree, it is who you're becoming after leaving here alone, after you get that independence. Talking about the job market after graduation in 2026, however, I haven't explored the job market myself, but talking about the people who have done with their masters and they're still struggling with the job. Some of them have landed their jobs in the field, some of them are doing a full-time job but then in hospitality. But of course the market isn't competitive right now. Some graduates are applying for limited roles. Sponsorship is harder in some industries, but of course if you start applying early you will definitely land, because it is not impossible anyway. Honest opinion would be, is it actually coming to the UK in 2026 worth it? Yes, if you come with a strategy. No, if you come only with dreams, like oh yeah, I want to study in UK and like whatever, but just come with a strategy. So that's it for today's video. If you're planning to come to the UK and want more information about universities, life here, student, everything, just hit me up on my Instagram and I will be happy to help you. Also, see you in the next video.